Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: a 7 kilogram bowling ball moves at 2.20 meter per second. How fast must a 3 gram ping pong ball move so that the two balls have the same kinetic energy? And the answer of the question is: pause the video and go through the calculation. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.